Hi guys, I'm Dimitri Mallis from OnQ Systems. We're a cloud-based point of sale. So what we've done is evolve point of sale into the cloud. Legacy point of sale system hardware is clunky. It's proprietary screens bundled with cash registers and servers, thermal printers. What we've done is taken commercially available off-the-shelf hardware that you can buy yourself and set up yourself, cash registers, thermal printers, internet routers, and tablets and smartphones. You can set everything up yourself. Our solution requires a strong internet connection, but if the connection goes down, all the data and sales records are cached to the device and will synchronize back up once the connection is detected. On the software side, legacy point-of-sale software runs in Windows, so it's clunky interfaces that aren't intuitive to use. It crashes a lot, and you have to worry about, as a user, you'd have to worry about backups, antiviruses, and your stock file being corrupted. With OnQ, it's cloud-based, so it's Web 2.0 user interfaces. These are all the user interfaces we've come to know from the web. So everything's smooth and fluid. You don't have to worry about backups because it's done for you in the cloud. All the data is secure. You don't have to worry about antivirus. You never have to worry about your stock file being corrupted. Our target market is the retail industry. We're targeting new businesses that haven't got point-of-sale machines or just have cash registers, and businesses who want to convert from their legacy point of sale to a newer point of sale. So what we've done to validate our business is tested it out in the toughest of retail industries, the hospitality industry. We've had 4 pilot sites where we've done about 18 pilots for them. So customer-driven development, tweaking our solution for the customer, each time making it better. We've invited other retail owners to the stores to see how the solution runs for them. They can kick the tires, ask questions, evaluate it if they'd like to try it out themselves. So for year 1, our marketing strategy is going to be face-to-face, exhibitions, road shows, and through farmers markets. And year 2 and following, we'll focus more on AdWords to get our scale up. Let's think of a scenario in a retail environment where you'd like to buy a pair of shoes. You walk into the shoe store, you find something that you like. You have to flag down a sales assistant. The sales assistant comes and says, okay, look, I'm looking. Will you tell the sales assistant, I like this pair of shoes, but it's not the right size or color? So they go off, leave you alone in the cold to the back room to check if there's stock and either bring it to you or don't. So they leave you in the cold. The relationship is not warm. It's not attractive anymore. So let's think of a scenario in a retail environment. You have 4 friends sitting at a restaurant at a table. The waiter comes, takes down your order verbally. On the way to queue up at the point-of-sale machine to enter it in, someone taps on the shoulder to ask for something else for their table. She forgets your customization. She enters it into the system wrong. There's broken telephone. By the time your food comes, you've gotten something wrong. It's ruined the meal experience. It takes too long to get the bill. So how do we solve this? We solve this with OnQ. And what we have is a table-side ordering solution for the retail industry, whereby the waiter will come table-side and take each customer's order. So if you're ordering a pepperoni pizza and avocados aren't available, she'll offer you a substitute because she has real-time inventory readings there then with her. If you're having a fillet steak, she'll offer customizations on it and upsell you. Part of each order process is that you get offered upsells. This means that the table orders larger, the restaurant turns over more, and the waiter makes more in tips. So everyone's happy. When the waiter's taken everyone's order, she'll press the confirm order button. The order goes through to the kitchen and bar. The kitchen staff stop preparing the order. All she has to do is then bring it to the table. She's then free to serve the next table. So this is more efficient and more accurate than previous systems. Legacy point-of-sale systems are cumbersome to set up and use. If you go with a legacy point-of-sale provider, they'll take about a week to set it up for you. Then your staff will have to go on another week's training. If you touch anything, they'll void the warranty. So it's not really attractive anymore. And I don't mean to sound cheesy, but OnQ is really simple to use. You can set it up yourself. All the hardware, it's a DIY point of sale. You buy the hardware yourself. You can set it up yourself. We have tutorial videos online and forums for support that show you how to set it up. And support through Twitter, Skype, and email. So what we do is give each retailer a 30-day free month trial where they can upload their stock file, add their users, try out the system in a business environment, so start trading with it, and start using it how they would normally in business. And then what we do is after that 1 month, we transfer them to a package, one of these 4 packages that they fit into. So if it's a small business And if they have a stock file within 100 items and about 10 users on the system, they pay $3.99. And this is much lower than any of the competition. And on the competition, we're the only one that's industry agnostic, modular, free from legacy point of sale, and have table-side ordering. We're seeking R1 million investment that will be used for for one salesperson, 2 developers, and a tester. We'll use some of the money to buy a small stock of hardware to do on-site demos and sell to our customers. Some of the money will go towards software hosting and licensing, and then the remainder for marketing. My background is in computer science. I have an international publication, and I was involved in a successful tech startup prior to founding OnQ. The retail industry has become ever more tough. Retailers have to compete with each other for market share, and they still have to compete with online retailers who are selling to them. So the overheads of a retail store, it's stock, it's salaries, it's overhead, it's rent. By the time someone's taken the time to walk into a retail shop, they expect good service. So that's what we at OnQ aim to achieve, is that every retail customer has a positive experience. I look forward to all your questions in the room. Thank you.